I'm sick and tired of this relationship. You don't do anything for me. You promise to be there for me. You promise to love me, but you don't do anything for me. You only go out there taking care of those bitches.
Babe, you know I really love you now. You know I can't cheat on you, baby. You know I really love you with all my heart. I can't cheat on you. I keep on telling you this always. You know babe, just trust me. You know I really love you. Just trust me, okay? Just trust me.
To hell with your trust and love. I hate you. I hate you so much.
You know I really care about you.
I hate you. You're disgusting.
You know I really care about
Leave
you.
me alone.
Please. You know I really love you and care about you. I can't cheat on you, babe. I can't cheat on you now. How can I cheat on you now?
Okay, just trust me. Guy, there's no need for this argument. I think I can help you guys. Let's involve Charlie in this matter.
Yes, let's involve Charlie. Let's involve Charlie now.
Anyway, let's involve Charlie. Charlie, are you there? Charlie, is Odogu cheating on her?